This second generation of networked smoke detector uses the BA45F25543 as the control MCU and works with a host through non-polar two-bus communication technology. The MCU includes a dual-channel smoke detection AFE to detect optical signal changes and determine the ambient smoke concentration. The internal sync current generator provides constant currents for IR signal transmitting. This supports dual transceiver systems and improves the detection sensitivity. The BA45F25543 provides 4,096 words of ROM, 256 bytes of RAM and 64 bytes of EEPROM for calibration data storage. The product safety is improved with the UL 60730 self-test program. The MCU also includes two LDOs to provide 3.3 volts and 5 volts outputs. The 5 volts output supports various LED types such as blue LED and IR LED. A 42 volts non-polar input circuit is included for fire protection two-bus power supply and communication. The smoke detector uses a maze chamber structure and IR transmitting and receiving tubes to detect smoke from fires. When the smoke concentration is greater than the alarm threshold, the detector will transmit an alarm signal to the host, which will identify the emergency location through address code. It is suitable for use in shopping malls, restaurants, warehouses, computer rooms, and other civil and industrial places of fire warning systems. The above has provided the introduction of the Holtec BA45F25543 product.